Mowing your lawn has changed forever with the Segway Navimow. These revolutionary robot mowers work using GPS signals, completely wireless, so no boundary wires are needed. It mows across your lawn by creating paths to connect all the lawns together, all done using the app. Multi-zone management allows custom scheduling cutting times for each lawn. The mower cuts systematically in an up and down motion. The next cut then it also changes direction, resulting in less repetitive movements and a more clean and fresh looking lawn. Installation has never been easier with the Navimow app. Just open the box, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions. Mapping out your lawns is easy. The mower uses AI system mapping to create virtual boundaries. Vision Fence identifies 20 plus different lawn objects in real time. It also has a 140-degree field of view, therefore avoiding objects in real time on your lawn. The Segway is completely waterproof and can be set to suspend mowing in extreme weather conditions. With real-time monitoring in the app, you can see the Segway Navimow's progress in the lawn at all times. The anti-test system will alert you in-app if your mow goes out of the boundary and gives you a real-time location of the mower. When the Segway is run low on battery, it knows to go back in and fully charge, and once it has fully charged, it knows to go back out and get to work. Cavan sell the whole range of Segways, including your I-Series and your H-Series, which is like comparing to your iPhone to your iPhone Pro. The Segway start from as little as €1,200, comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and as an optional extra you can get this 4G module for your I-Series, whereas it is included with your H-Series. Change your lawn and your life with the Segway Navimow. We offer free nationwide delivery, we have flexible finance options as well, and we also have an optional installation service as well. You can change it all together with just a click, or you can call in store and see it for yourself.